With me, the Consul General of India, Mr. S.M. Gawai. Welcome to TV Asia.
Thank you.
It's about the Padma Bhushan, handing over the Padma Bhushan to Sunita Williams.
Yes.
Tell us about it.
Padma Bhushan award, as you know, is one of our highest civilian awards, and it's given in recognition of personal qualities and the personal achievements of an individual. And the President of India was pleased to confer it on Sunita Williams as part of our Republic Day award presentation. So I have had the honor of handing it over to her at this event.
We're looking forward to hearing from you. Hi, what's your name?
Hi, I'm Sabrina Singh. I work at NASA.
So how does it feel to be given the award, Padma Bhushan award, to Sunita Williams?
She is so deserving of it because Sunny is probably one of the most real people I know, and she's such a down-to-earth, simple person that for her, this award, she accepts it on behalf of India and on behalf of other Indian women who are like herself. So she's very deserving of the award.
Hi Thomas, welcome to TV Asia.
Well, I'm so glad to be here. Appreciate it.
So tell us, you are the City Council member of the best city, as you call it, of the Sugarland.
America's best. And I am being here as a council member. I represent all Sugarland at large council member. So we, on behalf of the citizens of Sugarland and City Council, I thank each one of you.
And that's Dr. Pandya, who's Sunita's father.
Not too long ago, Sunita was a little girl sitting in my lap and watching the Neil Armstrong putting the steps on the moon surface. एक दिन बीजी मगर तू ताज बनकर जी, अटल विश्वास बनकर जी, अमर युग गान बनकर जी, मत पुजारी बन, स्वयं भगवान बनकर जी, अटल विश्वास बनकर जी, अमर युग गान बनकर जी, मत विहग बन, विहग मीन्स bird, मत विहग बन, स्वयं आकाश बनकर जी, अटल विश्वास बनकर जी.
It's funny because I think about what we do at NASA, and not only at NASA, but all of the centers around the world working on the International Space Station. It's just an incredible vehicle, and I think it really symbolizes what people can do when they work together. And going up to the International Space Station for me was just a pleasure, it was just an honor. I know there are a lot of people here, my father included, who did, I think when I was little I would have, and throughout my whole life, have thought were much more brave acts than myself. I have a hard time even imagining leaving my family, my home country, going someplace entirely new and starting up again with a family, and that's what he did. And I thought, wow, that is brave. And never felt that going to space or being an astronaut or being a helicopter pilot was anything in comparison.
Of course, with me, as you can see, the star for today's evening, Sunita Williams. Welcome to TV Asia, Sunita. It's always a pleasure.
Thank you. It's really nice to be here.
As you can see, people are thronging around to get a picture of this. And you, how did it feel? I know every time it's great, but just give your words.
It's a little overwhelming, but it's just wonderful. It's such an honor to be recognized, and I think the recognition is for the whole team of folks that are working for the International Space Station.
What are your plans? What are you doing right now? What's your agenda?
We're still working at NASA, hopefully working with getting all of the astronauts a space flight, and still working on building the International Space Station. And I'm hoping in the near future, maybe going back again. I want to see what my house looks like with all the other components.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Of course, with me is Mrs. Gawai. Welcome to TV Asia.
Thank you, Ruchi.
You said something really nice to Sunita. It's like your family. Just elaborate about that.
I just feel that since we are all from Houston and she's from Houston, that we are all family and we are connected with India, and she's Indian and American, and we as officials are Indian Americans. So I just felt connected that way.
Wonderful to have you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ruchi.